Okay, we're doing a little video review on this padlock 2 from igloohome. It's actually a really nice unit, and it's got mill standards for durability, things of that nature. Here's some of the information on it. It's Bluetooth capable. Here's the keypad for punching in numbers into it, and you can it's the model number sp2. There is a sp2e, which is about $120 more, but that one is if you have an enterprise and you want to do lots of these locks. If you're just a single couple locks type of user, then you don't need to get the E version for expanded coverage there. And here's a USB-C connector here for charging the rechargeable lithium battery inside of there. So on my application on my smartphone, Android or iPhone, you can have a Bluetooth turned on, then this guy will be programmed to unlock. If you're in the vicinity, you can also generate user PIN codes remotely for people to get into your lock if you need to do that remotely. And okay, this is a screen capture of the lock on my smartphone, and basically it's charged and it's synced up with the Bluetooth about 3 hours ago. But on this screen right here, you can hit the unlock button or lock button when the Bluetooth is in the vicinity of the lock, and it will open it up. Let's see. What else did I want to show? Okay. You can also create an access type. You can do a PIN code. It can be a permanent PIN code that you use indefinitely, or you can set it up for certain times of the day or one-time use. These PIN codes can also be done remotely, and the lock has got some pre-built algorithm to calculate a legit remotely generated PIN code. So you don't have to be local to be able to give that to somebody that's visiting your site. You can also do a Bluetooth key generation. Give them some PIN codes of their own, or use the Bluetooth. Allows guests to unlock using the Bluetooth with the igloohome application. This is kind of what generating the PIN code looks like. This algo pin is the one that's randomly generated that will allow you to come up with some random numbers, or you can do a custom number with via a Bluetooth usage. And then you can say how do you want to use the pin: once, weekly, duration of a certain period, or permanently, and then when you want the pin code to start to be active. And then this is for Bluetooth key user. You can define a certain period that particular Bluetooth key will be operating over. So those are some of the very convenient ways of utilizing this particular lock. It's very ruggedized, and it was about $160 on Amazon. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.